Hey, my friends, this is Joey, and welcome back to EnglishSpeakEz. Let me ask you a question. Can you understand English, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank and you can't speak? Well, you're not alone. Many learners understand a lot of English. They can watch movies, they can follow podcasts, but they still cannot speak. Why? In this episode, I will talk about that, and I will give you 6 simple tips to help you start speaking more and better. As always in this podcast, I will speak slowly and clearly so you can use it for shadowing. You can listen, repeat, and try to match my words, my rhythm, and my voice. My goal is to help you practice both listening and speaking at the same time. Let's begin. All right, let me tell you something important. Understanding English and speaking English are not the same thing. Many learners say, I understand almost everything, but I cannot speak. That's very common, and there is a reason for it. When you understand, you are passive. That means you sit, you listen, you read. Your brain is receiving English. You don't have to do anything. You just need to know the meaning, but speaking is very different. When you speak, you are active. You need to think of the words. You need to organize your ideas. You need to say the sentences, and you need to use correct sounds, and you need to do it fast in real time. This is hard even for advanced learners, but here's the truth. Most learners do not practice speaking. They read grammar books. They do listening exercises. They watch movies. These are good things, but they don't help you speak unless you also use your voice. Speaking is a skill like cooking or swimming or dancing. You only get better by doing it. Not just thinking, not just watching, but doing. And that's what we're going to work on today. So now, let me give you 6 simple tips to help you start speaking more and better. Tip number 1, don't wait for perfect grammar. This is very important. Many learners wait before they speak. They think, I will speak when my grammar is perfect. I need to learn more first. I don't want to make a mistake. But the truth is, you do not need perfect grammar to speak. You only need to be clear. That means, can the other person understand you? If yes, then your English is working. Listen to this. Yesterday I go to the park. Is it perfect grammar? Nope. But do you understand the meaning? Yes, that's what matters. When children learn to speak, they don't know grammar rules. They say, me want juice. But everyone understands them, and they get better with time. You can do the same. Making mistakes is a good thing. It means you are trying. It means you are learning. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes. So don't be afraid. Don't wait. Start speaking now with the grammar you have. So remember, fluent with mistakes is better than silent with perfect grammar. Speak first, polish later. You've got this. Tip number 2. Learn chunks, not words. Here's a big tip, my friend. Don't study one word at a time. Instead, learn chunks. So what are chunks? Chunks are short phrases that people use every day in real life. Not just one word, but a group of words that go together. For example, you learn the word busy, but in real life, people say, I'm a bit busy right now. Sorry. I've got a lot on my plate. I'm swamped today. Each of these is a chunk. When you learn chunks, something amazing happens. You don't have to build sentences from scratch. The phrase is already in your brain, ready to use. It's like blocks of language. Can I help you? I'm not sure. That sounds great. What do you mean? These are real English. This is how people speak. So how do you learn chunks? Listen to real conversations from podcasts, shows, movies. Pay attention to the phrases people use again and again. Write them down. Not just one word. Write the full phrase. Like, I'll get back to you. It depends on the situation. That's a good question. Then say them out loud. Repeat them. Practice them. Every time you hear a good phrase, ask yourself, can I use this in my life? If yes, learn it and use it. So remember, don't just build English word by word. Build it chunk by chunk. Tip number 3, speak to yourself. This tip is simple, but very powerful. If you want to speak English well, you must speak English every day. But many learners say, but Joey, I have nobody to talk to. I understand, my friend. But here is some good news. You don't need a partner. You can speak to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself. I know it may sound strange, but trust me, this works very well. Speaking to yourself is one of the best ways to practice English. Why? Because you can do it anytime and anywhere. At home, in your car, on a walk, while cooking, even in the shower. There's no schedule, no pressure, just you and your voice. What should you say? You can describe what you are doing. I'm making coffee now. It's raining outside. You can talk about your day. Today, I feel tired. I have a meeting at 10. You can ask yourself questions. What do I want for dinner? How can I learn faster? You can even act out short conversations. Hello. How can I help you? Yeah, I'd like a coffee, please. Sure. Anything else? Nope. Thank you. Why is this helpful? Because when you speak to yourself, you train your brain to find words faster. You learn to think in English. It's like going to the gym for your brain and your mouth. And the best part, nobody is watching. Nobody is judging. You can make mistakes and try again. So speak to yourself every day, even just 5 minutes. Your brain will start to think in English. You will feel more confident and more fluent. Tip number 4, use AI. This tip is very useful. AI means artificial intelligence like ChatGPT or Copilot. You can have a conversation and practice every day. AI never gets tired, and it won't judge your mistakes. My favorite is ChatGPT. You can type or speak. The free version works great. Pi AI is also great. It's completely free. You can search for Pi AI Assistant online. Copilot is free with a Microsoft account. Here's how to use AI. Start simple. Say, "Hi, I'm learning English. Can we talk?" Or, "Let's practice a conversation in a cafe." The AI will respond and you can practice. You can ask the AI, "Please correct my English," or "Can you speak slowly with me?" It will help you learn. Quick tips. Don't become dependent on AI. Use it as practice, not replacement for real conversations. And don't share personal information. Practice with AI 10 to 15 minutes daily. Then try using new phrases in real life. This way you're not just studying English, you are using English and building your fluency. Tip number 5, use the 4-3-2 technique. This is powerful and simple. First, choose a short topic. A story you heard, something from your day, a movie you watched. Now here's the technique. Speak about the topic for 4 minutes. Speak slowly. Tell the full story with details. Take a short break. Then speak about the same topic again for 3 minutes. Speak a little faster. Organize your thoughts better. Take another break. Then speak one more time for 2 minutes. Speak smoothly. There are no long pauses. You know the story now. Why does this work? Because the more times you tell the story, the more automatic your English becomes. You already know the words and sentences. Now you can say them faster and more fluently. You can record all 3 versions. Listen back and hear your progress. Your final version will sound stronger, more confident, and more fluent. Tip number 6. Use one sentence in many ways. Take one simple sentence and practice saying it in many different ways. This helps you think faster and speak more naturally. Start with a simple sentence. I went to the store. Now change it. Add time. I went to the store yesterday. Add purpose. I went to the store to buy some bread. Add feeling. I had to go to the store again. Add surprise. I went to the store and saw my old teacher. Change the grammar. I'm going to the store now. I've just been to the store. I go to the store every Saturday. Change the subject. My sister went to the store. Nobody went to the store, so we ordered food. Make it a question. Did you go to the store? When did you go? Make it negative. I didn't go to the store. I won't go today. All these small changes help you think quickly, add details, use grammar naturally, and express emotions. This is real fluency. You're not memorizing. You are creating. Try this. Choose one simple sentence about your life. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Say that sentence in as many ways as you can. Do this 3 times per week. Now, one bonus tip. Track your progress. When you see improvement, you stay motivated. Every week, record yourself speaking for 2 minutes. After 1 month, listen to week 1 and week 4. You will hear amazing progress. Or keep a simple journal. How many minutes did I speak today? What did I practice? What chunks did I learn? You know you're improving when you think in English sometimes, when words come faster, when you make fewer pauses, when you feel less nervous. Okay, here's your simple action plan. Week 1. Speak to yourself 5 minutes daily. Practice with AI 3 times. Learn 2 chunks daily. Week 2. Speak to yourself 10 minutes daily. Do the 4-3-2 technique 3 times. Week 3. Practice transforming sentences 3 times. Practice with AI 4 times. Week 4. Combine everything. Focus on communication, not perfection. Remember these key points. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Learn chunks, not words. Speak to yourself every day. Use AI as your practice partner. Practice the 4-3-2 technique. Transform sentences and track your progress. In this episode of EnglishSpeakEz, we talked about why many learners can understand English but still find it hard to speak. Understanding is passive, but speaking is active. The solution: practice speaking every day. Use your voice. Don't wait for perfection. Start now with the English you already have. Remember, every native speaker was once a beginner. Every fluent speaker made thousands of mistakes. The only difference is time and practice. You can speak English fluently. You already have the grammar and vocabulary. What you need now is practice, consistency, and confidence. Start today. Speak for just 5 minutes. Tomorrow, do it again. In 30 days, you will not believe how much you've improved. This is EnglishSpeakEz, and I'm Joey. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.